Hello friends, and I'm going to prepare hummus. You know that hummus from the regular chickpeas, it's not recommended in the keto diet, but it is recommended in low carb diet. But the black chickpeas, it's recommended in the keto diet. Please refer to the link. I'm going to keep it below for knowing the health benefits and the details about the chickpeas. Hummus is going to be very easy and few steps. It's not difficult and not different from the regular hummus, which we do it regularly from the regular chickpeas. Follow me to the kitchen. You need 120 grams of chickpeas, black chickpeas. Soak it for 24 to 36 hours in water. Black chickpeas take longer to be soaked, not like the regular chickpeas. And then here already I soaked, I have like 1 cup of chickpeas. I'm going to use it. And when it's soaked, you have to boil it. Yesterday I have already boiled the same amount. It is like 1 cup almost. And I'm going to show you all the steps how to prepare the hummus from the black chickpeas. The hummus from black chickpeas is not going to be very bright in color because the chickpeas, as you see, is dark. You need small lemon, small clove of garlic, really small. If you have big one, cut it in 2 halves. Small bunch of parsley, olive oil, tahina sauce, salt and black pepper, and you need a dash of cumin. For sure we need the boiled chickpeas. And to really make your plate very beautiful and having that Mediterranean look, you need a dash of sumac. Place your boiled hummus in the food processor. Your garlic, I chop it here. And then we have to add 1 big tablespoon of tahina sauce. One tablespoon of olive oil. Add, as per taste, dash of salt, black pepper, and 1/4 of tablespoon of cumin. Can process the hummus. I open to check on the consistency and to add the lemon. So I'm going to add the juice of the lemon and to continue to process the chickpeas, maybe for 1 or 2 minutes till I will reach the creamy consistency desired. I have opened it again to check the consistency. It's very creamy, and I would like to check the salt if it's okay, or the lemon. So depends from your taste how you like it. It's good, but I think it needs some dash of salt, an additional one. Black pepper, 10-20 seconds more. So the consistency desired has reached. As you see, it's creamy, and I'm going to show you a typical Mediterranean presentation. Just you put the hummus in the middle of your plate, and with the help of the spatula you have to make like a circle with the edges. Here we are. I have prepared like a mint, so middle of the plate, and we can sprinkle a little bit of parsley. That's enough. I'm going to show you very interesting way how we are going to put the sumac. So just you take a fork, dip it in the water, and dip it in the sumac so the sumac will stick to your fork, and then you can do such traces and it looks good. The final touch, as usual, we have to use the olive oil, and you can put it in the middle circle of it. I hope you have enjoyed my recipe and the presentations for the hummus plate. Bon appetit, and I'm waiting your feedback about my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and put like. Bye bye. See you in more recipes with the black chickpeas.